Hi, I'm Chef Carl, and I'm going to tell you more about all the benefits of bar and equipment. Let's take a look at how to achieve fast and efficient service with Talent Multifunction and Evofryer. For this recipe, we're using the Talent Multifunction in steam mode to prepare vegetable sides and Evofryer for the Cordon bleu. We'll set the steam function on the user-friendly Talent touchscreen panel with the preparation probe option for accurate control of the presence of water and its temperature. We then move on to the automatic water filling and select the cooking temperatures and its parameters. While Talent is starting up, we can easily attach the probe inside the pan using the support provided and cover with the lid for steamer use. Its domed shape transfers the concentration to the sides so that it never falls onto the food and waters it down. In the meantime, we can fry the Cordon bleu using the Evofryer. With this equipment, we can simultaneously check on the frying of the meat and the side, in this case, fries. Using the touchscreen panel, we will in fact set 2 different programs with different cooking times. Recipes can be stored and called up when needed to achieve the same result for each and every fry. The baskets are lowered automatically and Evofryer starts to work for us. While we wait for the frying to end, we place the vegetables in the tank of Talent using the perforated tin, covering with the steamer lid, again for even more even cooking. In the meantime, Evofryer has finished cooking. The handy basket lifting system means work is fast and efficient. By programming the recipes from the touchscreen panel as we saw before, the basket is lifted automatically at the end of the time set, ensuring excellent and well-timed results every single time. The crunchy fries and the tasty Cordon bleu can now be taken out of the basket. And now, the dish is ready for serving at the table. Prompt and efficient service with Talent and Evofryer. Thanks for watching. I'm Chef Carl.